The rate of happiness, aside from sociological theories, we see that the rate of happiness is almost 100% aligned with a person's level of consciousness. If I know what a person's level of consciousness, I can tell you the likelihood of their being happy. At 100, only 10% of the people are happy. Here are some very famous people on current television, talk shows, 130 to 160. Their chances of being happy are around 12%. So, anyway. The rate of happiness, then, is not due to something out there, but it's due to what you have become. So you can be happy under miserable circumstances and commit suicide in the midst of luxury. Huh? So the rate of happiness, then, is a direct result of one's level of consciousness. As you move up, you need less and less. You want less and less. And somebody says, is there anything you want today? No. Anything you need? I got it. So what you need and have, you got already. So the chance of being happy then is pretty good. All right, so we'll move on. If you want nothing, then you get along with less and less. You get along with less and less. When I first came out here, as I told you, I had a six-pack of Pepsi and a piece of cheese in the fridge, and celebrated Saturday night by splitting an apple with a friend of mine. I said, tonight we'll have an apple. Oh, wow, he says. Big time, have an apple.